Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one is a diamond white metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with a sports package, which is going to give you a sports exterior and interior look. 18-inch 5-stroke alloys. Silk beige MB Tax interior, panorama sunroof, ambient lighting, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, comfort box for extra storage, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, a natural grain brown ash wood trim. Hopping in, we've got a touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, gloss black center console, dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB ports, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, navigation. This E-Class has 30,223 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.